So with WalkMe for web applications, you have a lot of functionalities to train your employees and address their pain points effectively. First of all, there's guidance. With the help of smart walkthroughs, we can guide users step by step through your processes. Similar to a user guide you created previously in Word or in PowerPoint, but then right in the application as a navigation or GPS tool. Secondly, we leverage SmartTips for short explanations of what a field means or how to complete a field, or we use them to do data validation to ensure what your users enter is actually correct. We can also leverage onboarding tasks, and this is really there to help new users adopting the software easier and faster. Also your existing training material, it can be guides, documents, presentations or videos. They can be embedded in WalkMe as resources so that they are available through the WalkMe menu. This way, the user really has all the information in one single place. Secondly, there's engagement. Instead of being reactive and waiting till a user needs support, we can proactively engage with them. This can be through shoutouts or pop-ups to welcome new users or inform them of a new functionality or changes to the process. We can also leverage what we call launchers. We can put some strategically placed buttons for users to find help easier, like how do I create an opportunity? So instead of going to the menu, they have a quick button on the page where they are at that moment in time. We can also leverage AI and the rule engine to automatically and proactively engage with the user. For example, the user get an error message in the application, and we can automatically start a walkthrough asking the user, do you need help? And shall we help you complete the rest of the process? So that are things to engage more proactively with the user. After this, you also have what we call the action bot, where you can turn your WalkMe content really into a conversational approach. So instead of going to a menu and looking for support, the user can chat with the action bot and get then the help that he needs when he needs it. The third aspect that we have is automation. So how many times have you been in the software where you needed to click multiple times before you could actually do something? With the walkthroughs and leveraging the automations, we can really work on process efficiency and helping users complete processes and tasks faster. And then last but not least, there's a very powerful insights or analytics module really to help you look at the data of the application. So how are the users using your software? What do they use? What are they not using? Which WalkMe content is working or not working? Are they looking for additional support or areas that they are struggling with? All that you can find back in the analytics and help you to drive the adoption further and make sure your users and your employees are happy with your software. If you want to learn more, just let me know and I'm happy to chat.